The Council of Trent, the 22nd Session. The Canons and Decrees of the Sacred and Ecumenical Council of Trent. Edited and translated J. Waterworth. Chapter 3. Daily distributions out of the third part of all fruits soever are to be established on whom the portion of absentees devolves, certain cases excepted. Bishops, even as the delegates of the Apostolic See, shall have power to divide the third part of any manner of fruits and proceeds of all dignities, personates, and offices existing in cathedral or collegiate churches, into distributions, to be assigned as they shall judge fit; in such wise, to wit, that if those who ought to receive them should fail on any appointed day, personally, to discharge the duty that devolves upon them, according to the form that shall be prescribed by the said bishops, they shall forfeit that day's distribution, and shall acquire no manner of property therein, but it shall be applied to the fabric of the church, as far as it may need it, or to some other pious place, at the discretion of the ordinary. But if their contumacy increase, they shall proceed against them according to the constitution of the sacred canons. But if any of the aforesaid dignitaries has, neither by right nor custom, any jurisdiction, administration, or office devolving upon him in the cathedral or collegiate churches, but out of the city in the same diocese there is a cure of souls to be attended to, which he who holds that dignity is willing to take upon himself, in this case, during the time that he shall reside and minister in the church with that cure, he shall be considered as though he were present and assisted at the divine offices in those cathedral or collegiate churches. These things are to be understood as appointed for those churches only wherein there is no custom or statute whereby the said dignitaries who do not serve lose something, which amounts to the third part of the said fruits and proceeds; any customs, even though immemorial, exemptions and constitutions, even though confirmed by oath or by any authority whatsoever to the contrary, notwithstanding.